balahibo!
Grabe yun! Oh.
Grabe! Nag-iisa ka! Manta!
Yes! Kaya naman, 1, 2, 3!
Picture!
Batman! Thank you so much!
Oh, naiiyak si Colleen!
Kaya naman tawagin natin ang ating top 1 and top 2.
Oh, let's go!
Naiiyak naman, nakakaiyak naman kasi talaga yun.
Grabe yun,
Sana,
talaga.
sana masabihan din tayo na, host smile.
Smile, Mantay, smile.
Account namin to. Account namin to.
Mantay, smile.
Account namin to. Sinasabi ko sa'yo ha.
Alright! Dahil dyan, sana naman no, kahit sa host lang no, host Jing, smile!
Mamaya ka na, Amy, ang ligalig mo.
Alright! Congratulations to our top 3, no other than Amy, Ace, and Kamao Sally. And our champion, no other than Colleen!
Colleen! Ayan, picture tayo, host. Smile! Ayan!
Grabe! Congratulations still sa ating Siren account nyo! Pinanalo nyo ang bawat isa sa Siren! Congratulations still! And behalf of our Ravens and also Zoros, host Sydney, I'm your host, Guy!
And I am your host, Inang Ali!
Because this is our DTM employees. Also, this is our proudly DTM agency. Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. Again, see you on Monday!
Happy Sunday, everyone!
Okay, sa Monday po, 4 lang po ang may live. Especially Zoros, Ravens,
Siren, and
Celeste.
Celeste, ayan.
So sa Monday
4
po
groups
yan,
lang.
4 na grupo lang po magla-live.
Yes.
So syempre, I would like to invite you everybody on our Crown Cup and also Glory Cup. Yung Glory Cup po, yun po yung mga hindi nakapasok ng monthly for the Crown Cup. So maglalaban-laban po sila, alright? See you on Monday! Maraming salamat po! Thank you so much!
Thank you so much, everyone, especially Manta, Mickey Pion, Perry Pera, each and everyone who supported all the Siren. Hela Pinoy, sobrang solid nyo. Maraming
Uy,
salamat.
Hela Pinoy, no?
Yes,
Grabe.
sobrang salamat.
Salute, grabe po kayo.
And to all silent viewers, commentators, likers, and
Nigel.
sharer, especially to all
All about
supporters
life.
from the Zoros, from the Ravens,
Yes.
and the Sirens. Thank you so much.
Team Palibagin!
Yes,
Notes,
BFF.
ayan, BFF, Team
Oo.
Gold! Ayan, mga Team Shaz,
Team
thank you so much,
Beshi, ayan.
JM! Hello po, thank you so much sa pag-bisita sa live.
Opo.
Even though kahit wala na pong Zoros, still nandiyan pa rin kayo bumibisita.
Yes.
Maraming salamat po. Still, see ya!
Mag-ingat kayo
Bye-bye!
lahat! Magsimba together with your family. Enjoy your Sunday, guys!